Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. So today's video is all about LYS Beauty's new bronzer stick. Super excited to show you guys how I apply it and hear my first impressions. If you are interested in seeing this, of course, you know what to do. Keep on watching. So right now I have on my foundation and concealer. I just set it, so if I'm looking kind of ashy, that's why. But I'm super excited to get into this bronzer, so we're just gonna get into it. But of course, you've seen the packaging. It's just way too cute, just like the rest of the brand. And if I didn't say before, the shade that I got is Strength, and that's the same shade that I have in the powder form. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. So beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the powder on the back of my hand beside the cream bronzer, and that's how the powder looks. So yeah, I really like this bronzer shade because it has that little red, teeny bit of red undertone there, and that helps, you know, just give you that sun-kissed look. And so let's go ahead and swatch this beside it. I'm like so excited right now, so excited. Let's see what it's working with. Ooh, okay. First of all, it is super creamy, like so creamy. Oh my gosh, a little bit is gonna go a long way with this. This right here is the cream bronzer. I don't know if you guys can tell how creamy that is, but that is super creamy. Okay, so this one is definitely not as warm as this, so I'm a little bit nervous because I like the warmth from the powder bronzer. This is giving me more like neutral cool-ish, which is good for contouring. But anyway, and even with the powder one, I have to be so careful how much I use. So this one is so creamy, I'm nervous. I'm like super, I'm super nervous. Let's just try with the forehead first. Oh my God. Okay, what am I doing? Like, that is dark. Okay, maybe I might have to get a different shade. I'm not even sure. I'm not going to do too much. We are going to work our way up. My brush is a little bit dirty, but this is the LYS bronzer brush. I used it already this week. Oh, okay. Look how pretty. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It blended out so easily. But it's giving me everything that I need right away. Look at that. It is still the red, even though it didn't look like that on the back of my hand. I'm still getting it. Can you guys see that it's just giving that beautiful bronze look right there? It has the red, like I see it there. So it's not as neutral as I thought, which is good. Now, you need to be careful with this, okay? Because look at me. You need to be careful. I'm going to clean this up, of course, but do not use that much. I like it. I was thinking maybe I have to get a different shade, and maybe I will for the summer, for the winter. But this looks good to me now. I don't know what you guys thinking. This is pretty. Wow. I've been wanting to try a good bronzer stick for so long, so I'm so excited that they came up with this. Look at that contour. It's a little bit, I don't know. I feel like on my forehead, it definitely blended out with more red looking. Hair is giving me a little bit more cool. I don't know. I'm going to clean up the line with some setting powder. I could probably go in with the powder for my nose, but I'm definitely not about to use that on my nose. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my brush so that I can blend it into my crease, which is what I would normally do with my bronzer. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. So now I'm just going to use the powder bronzer and bronze my face with it, so you can get the full effect in case you want to buy both or in case you already have both. I don't want to put too much, I'm scared. See, it's just so pigmented. You really have to use a little bit, and I be forgetting. See how that just warms up real quick? So yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending it out because obviously I used too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back so we can talk some more about this. Okay guys, so I'm back with my completed face, and I just wanted to show you the contour now that it's blended. Everything's blended together. So far so good. I like it. You guys let me know what you think, of course, but I mean, it's affordable, it looks good. They have, I think, like 5 shades, so can't beat that. So you guys know I already love the powder version. The cream one is super creamy and it's super nice. I still like it, so I'm just gonna continue to wear it out for the day and see whether I actually need the cream one or if I'm just perfect with the powder. But so far so good. So yes, thank you again for watching this video. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.